Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we are going to teach you step by step how you can post content in a Bluesky app, for instance on your Android, really quickly. So let us dive into this. So launch the Bluesky application, be it on your Android or iPhone. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use or access Bluesky through an Android phone. So what you want to do here on your home feed is tap on that button in the bottom right corner, on that blue button here, to start posting your content. After that, you will be given the opportunity to post your message here. So simply type it here, and once you're ready to post it, tap on that post button in the top right corner. That's basically it, guys. However, there are some advanced features you may use. For instance, you may attach an image or a photo or a video to your post by tapping on these buttons here below. Locate the given file on your device and add it to your post like that. You may also add a GIF, for instance, or change your language here. Also, guys, take in account that as a user with a free membership on Bluesky, you are free to post messages with up to 300 characters. So keep an eye on that word or character limit here in the bottom right corner. Do not exceed it. And last but not least, you may customize your post interaction and visibility settings by tapping on that button here. So here you will be given the opportunity to decide who you would like to allow to reply to your posted content on Bluesky. For instance, everybody or nobody, or only mentioned users you follow, or your followers. And once they're done, guys, simply confirm by tapping on save here. And that's basically it. That's how you post content on Bluesky in 2025. It's super simple, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.